Alright, y'all, I'm bringing you an update. Putting the rear Accuair E-level sensors on. This is what I came up with. That's the trailing arm, lower and trailing arm. Goes to my differential. I had to make this extension right here to make it come out, and I bolted my sensor straight to my frame. I did put my wheel on, and my tire does clear that rod right there, so that's what it looks like. This right here is a stopper. You leave that on when you're setting it up. You don't want to go past that point on the top or on the bottom. I'll give you guys a demonstration right now. That's all the way compressed right there, and as you can see, I still have a little bit of room right here before it hits the stopper. Alright, here goes released. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but I did a couple of tack welds on that extension right there, and this is what I used. So I used these right here. I put 6 of them together with a piece of all thread. I got all this from Home Depot, and I was able to bend it a little bit and then tack weld the all these little couplings, together and get the right angle that I needed. Alright guys, hope this could help somebody out there that needs some help. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up on the questions there if you need some help. Alright, later.